Alright, everybody. Thanks for coming to the summer festival. I want to say arigato, senpai, for putting together this absolutely insane setup. This was... I didn't even get to see all the stalls. Is this food? Ramen? This is so much work. I wasn't expecting... I mean, I think I only saw... From like streams I would peek in on, I only saw like this little area here. I had no idea it went like over there, all the way wraps around over here. I hope I can come back, and I want to spend more time here. I wanna interact more as well. Yeah, I had a lot of fun. I did. Okairi. I hope you guys have fun. This was... Wow, this is so cool. Like Callie said, I want to be able to do this someday. For future generations of EN... Or, sorry. Future teams. Future friends of EN. Yeah. I don't want to leave. This is so much fun. It's like so much to look at. Thank you, everyone. Alright, guys. I'll see you later. Bye. Bye. Uh-oh. Wait, go where? Yagura, come on. Should I not leave now? I will. Where is Piccolo Senpai? Maybe Yagura doesn't mean that. Huh? Yagura is the scaffolding. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go then. Okay. Bye-bye. Yummy. Does anybody want these other two? They're covered in my drool. They're pre-chewed like a bird. Hello, I've pre-chewed these marshmallows. They'll be very easy to eat. They'll just slide right down your throat. You don't even have to chew it. By the time it gets to you... Alright. I shouldn't have asked. I should not have asked. Okay, I should not have asked. I'm sorry I even asked. I'm sorry.
Oh, we found Callie's weapon.
Hey, Ricky! Hey, wait, no, Ricky, you gotta give me Ricky.
The person who finds it keeps it, right?
Escapers, losers.
No, I will
Watson.
beat you.
Huh?
Check this out.
What?
Give me my sight.
Here, okay, here, I give it to you. Here?
Okay. Yeah.
Here.
I don't know how to really pick things up with
I'll
these
give it
weird
to you.
arms that I have, but let me try.
Here you go.
I'm
look like?
hold to grab.
Yours.
Luna's doing weird stuff in the
holding.
back.
Hold it.
Hold on.
Weird.
Oh, I got it. Okay, hold on. There we go. I got the sign.
Oh,
Oh man, watch out, Gura. I might come and slice you
Hey,
up
where's
for
Ina?
fun.
I already teabagged you.
Is there like a monster outside or something?
Where's too tall?
Yeah,
Where's
it's
raining,
too tall.
so they're not. Then I'll come back for maybe to the ending.
Okay.
Yeah, run away. Okay, that's fine. I'll come back for you.
So we
We
just run.
played like some of this first part.
You would need something to accelerate it. That it's like a redstone torch or whatever it was called.
Yeah.
Is that like a one-time use thing? Like once you put it on, it worked?
No, it will always work. Yeah.
Ah.
Hey, Callie, welcome back. That face
sorry,
of like,
I was here the whole time. I was here the whole time. Don't worry about it.